Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be bringing some fidgets to hockey so I can watch my brother. So first I need to pick up my poppets. Now that I picked up my poppets, I'm going to be grabbing some fidgets to bring to hockey. Okay, I got my Justice pack back here. Backpack. So let me just pack up some things. So I'm gonna want to pack up, where is it? Oh yes, my mochis. I love mochis. So let me just put them aside. So, and bag. Okay. Next, should I bring my putty? No, I shouldn't. I'm definitely gonna be bringing my wacky track, so let's just put that in the bag there. Next, should I bring my snake? Nah. I want to, but I don't want to annoy people. Definitely not Rubik's Cube, too noisy. I kind of want to bring some relaxing things, so I'm going to probably be bringing my monkey noodles. Here, let me go get the rest of them. Okay, I got the rest out of my brother's room, because he doesn't like monkey noodles. I don't know why. Okay, back in my room. Let's put my monkey noodles away. Oh, as you can see, blue. Blue. I just love blue, okay? Blue. Okay. I'm gonna be bringing, should I just bring one marble mesh? Yeah. Okay, I'm definitely gonna be bringing a poppet. What do you pick? My cactus cyan one, my mini cyan one, my octopus poppet, my simple dimple, my Among Us, my kitty one, or my rainbow. What do you guys pick? Well, what I am going to pick, I'm going to pick this one and this one. So yeah, let's put these in the bag. Actually, I'm going to be hooking them up on the keychain. Stay there. Okay. Is that enough? I'm bringing my finger ring. Okay, the last thing I want to bring is this Orbeez stress ball. It's really nice. I'll be right back. Okay, so my keychain poppets are hooked up. And all my fidgets are in my backpack. I'm ready to go. Hope you guys subscribe, like, and turn on all those notifications and hit that bell. Bye!